Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the Google Sheet so Excel can reach it. Make sure sharing allows access, either anyone with link or add specific emails. This prevents permission errors. Once done, copy the sheet link and note the file ID plus the exact sheet name and range, for example Sheet 1, A1D100. Also decide which sync method you'll use, manual CSV export, connect with a Google Sheets web link, or use Power Query for automatic refreshes. Now connect Excel to that sheet. If you published a CSV or JSON, use data from web and paste the link. For deeper integration, use Power Query with the Google Sheets API or a third-party connector. Once connected, transform columns, set types, promote header row, remove blank rows, and filter unnecessary data. Make sure to adjust load behavior, table or connection only. Finally, configure credentials with OAuth or API key. Finish by validating the imported data in Excel. Compare a few rows, confirm date formats and locale conversions, and ensure headers align. Once satisfied, enable automatic refresh or set manual refresh when needed, and save the workbook. Some connectors require storing credentials. If things go wrong, first recheck sharing permissions and the exact range, then clear Power Query, cache, and re-authenticate OAuth. If you still see errors, regenerate the published link or recreate the connection. Those steps usually resolve access and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.